Morning students, I Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Today I am going to discuss Madam Rides the Bus, Module 4 from the book First Flight. Dear students, till now we read that Wally had many qualities that made her an amazing young person. For example, she is a happy child, although she does not have any playmates. She is very observant and keeps watching the scenes in the street outside her house. The same sense of observation is shown when she views the interior of the bus, the scene outside the window, the sight of the cow in panic, the scene of the town market that we will read further. Wally is essentially a dreamer who makes efforts to realize her dreams. She dreams of going to a bus journey to the nearest towns and plans it intelligently. She saves money for it, executes her plan neatly without her mother getting even a hint of it. Now, see what happens next in the story. So, come on, let's read and know. Her first journey. What careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way, resisting every temptation to buy peppermint toys, balloons, and the like, and finally she had saved a total of 60 paise. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair, but she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round, even though she had the money. See here, the writer is telling how did Wally save up money for her first journey, and it was not easy for her. She made careful, painstaking, elaborate plans to save money for the first journey. It was not easy for her, but still she did so. She resisted every temptation to buy peppermint toys, balloons, and riding the merry-go-round. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. But she managed this without too much difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap from about 1 to 4 or so. Wally always used these hours for her excursion. As she stood looking from the doorway of her house or sometime even ventured out into the village. Today, these same hours could be used for her first excursion outside the village. Now, Wally's mother used to sleep after lunch for a few hours, from 1 to 4 or so. Wally planned to sneak out of the house for her bus journey during this time. This would have kept her a mission a secret from her mother. So she was really very clever and she planned everything very intelligently. The bus rolled on, now cutting across a bare landscape, now rushing through a tiny hamlet or past an odd wayside shop. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them or a pedestrian crossing the road. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles safely behind. Trees came running towards them but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there helplessly for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in the other direction. Now, Here, the writer is describing how the bus moved as it made the journey towards the town. The bus rolled on, cutting across a bare landscape, rushing through a tiny hamlet on an old wayside shore. Sometimes the bus seemed to gobble up another vehicle. Still, it passed on smoothly. So this was really very enjoyable journey for Wally, and she was really feeling very good. Suddenly, Wally clapped her hands with glee. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast. Right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus slowed to a crawl, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. But the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became, and the faster it galloped, always right in front of the bus. So, here in this paragraph, we came to know that Wali clapped her hands. Wali becomes happy when she saw that a cow was running in front of their bus. She was enjoying that scene. The sight of the young cow running very fast in the middle of the road in front of the bus with her tail high up in the air made Wali laugh and clap her hands with glee. This is all for today. We will meet soon in our next module. Till then, bye bye. Take care.